guys here, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year everyone, it's officially 2023. Today I'm going to film a get ready with me. I'm going to do a makeup look and this will be the first one of 2023. I really hope it turns out good. I have a plan in my head of what I want to do. Let's just start off with the makeup while we talk about things, okay? This will be the first video I filmed in 2023, so I really hope it turns out well. I'm going to do 1.5 pumps. As you can see, we're starting off the new year great. Already have this big huge pimple on my face. I really hate it, but it's a good sign, so it means there's big things to come. I would take that as a good sign. I'm already starting off the new year with a big pimple, so that means there's big things to come. Also a question, how many pump of foundation do you guys use? I searched online, people say a bottle of foundation will normally last you about 8 months. I got this one for Christmas 2021, so it's already been officially over a year. This is now the 13th month where I'm using this foundation. I normally always use 1 pump, and when I have blemishes like this, I use 1.5 pump. I have a friend who uses 3 pumps of foundation because she's trying to cover up her acne. But I'm curious, how many pumps of foundation do you guys use? Nicely blended into the skin. Also, how is the weather for you guys? For me right now, it's let me get my mirror. This is my unicorn hand mirror. Remember this mirror, guys? I was so excited when I got the mirror. The weather here is really cold and windy, but no snow at all. I feel like if it's going to be this cold, you should at least give me snow. Now I'm going to use concealer to cover this big pimple up. And a little bit on my dark circles. I feel like every time on New Year's, people like to talk about New Year's resolutions, things they want to do, things they want to improve. Also, most of the time, they don't do any of the things they promise. It's not covering up the big pimple. For me, I'm bad at a lot of things. I have a lot to improve. Let me see if I can cover it with powder. I'm not experienced in covering up big pimples. Normally don't get pimples in this size. That looks way better. Let's go! What is something you're passionate about? For me, I like to learn languages. I don't have a New Year's resolution, but if there's anything I'm ambitious about, I want to learn 5 languages before I'm 25. The 5 languages is going to be Chinese, English, German, French, and Japanese. And I'm learning German already for a very long time. The grammar is difficult, but I've learned a lot of words. I'm just too shy to speak German because I'm scared of making mistakes. But yesterday I found a lot of German short stories online, so I'm going to improve my reading skills by a lot. Let me know if you are learning other languages. Let's move on to the brows. For brows, I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. My friend bought this for me years ago. She went on a trip, I think it was to Japan, and when she was returning, she already bought some makeup products for me from Japan, and she was at the duty-free store at the airport and asked me if I want something. She would bring me a gift, and she said it has to be a brow pencil, and she asked me to choose between the Shu Uemura brow pencil or the Benefit one. Both are very popular brow pencils and both cost around the same, but I was watching a lot of Western YouTubers and Benefit was really popular back then, so I asked for the Benefit one. I also have the Shu Uemura one now because she gave it to me. She colored her hair and she didn't need that color anymore, so I have the Shu Uemura brow pencil as well. I like to just naturally fill in the outer part of my eyebrows. If I draw too much hair, it will look really unnatural and really harsh. I'm very blessed with eyebrow hairs and just hairs generally overall. I grow a lot of hair. Every time I go to the barber take down my ponytail and say, wow, you got a lot of hair. I'm very lucky I don't have sparse areas in my brows. They always grow so much. Maybe you can't tell because I shave my eyebrows, but I always get a lot of hair here. I have to shave them. Now let's move on to the eyes. Oh, guys, I forgot to show you my nails. I painted my nails last night. Look how pretty they are. I picked a shimmery purple polish and a shimmery pink polish, and I dipped them in some glitter. I overdid it. I think they're going to peel off soon. Got too much glitter on there, and there is this unicorn skin I put on. I'm really happy with how my nails turned out. So pretty! I'm going to use a Colourpop Fade into Hue palette, one of my favorite palettes ever because of all the beautiful colors. And today we're going on the blue roll. So last year I discovered short videos on YouTube, and then I filmed a lot of makeup shorts, reached a lot of people. Also really brought out my creative energy. I created a lot of new makeup looks. During the end of the year, one of my favorite looks was a snowflake look. I used my 3CE palette, did a normal cute little sparkly look, but I did white eyeliner and used it to make a snowflake shape, and I really loved it. So today I'm going to create a blue makeup look and use the white eyeliner again to do a snowflake. I think that looks really pretty and it will look really good with a blue color. I'm also going to use my blue eyeliner. I feel like not everyone is a fan of putting eyeshadow on your lower lash line, but I like to do that. It gives off a monochromatic feel, and also because I have small eyes, if I drag eyeshadow under here and put mascara and make my eyes look bigger. I want to use darker shades of blue, but other than this matte blue, suddenly there's like super dark blues. I don't know if I can blend them in well. Let's try. I'm going to use the other matte blue. It's so dark. Oh, it goes on the eyes better. It's not that strong. I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add on some shimmers, and now I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the Kaleidos Moon Cruiser highlighter. I like to use it on the eyes as a blue eyeshadow as well. Oh, it's super pretty. It gives off like a translucent finish, like there's no base pigment, it's just some pretty shimmers, like a topper. This brings back some memories. So last year when I started to film makeup videos again, the first original look I did was called Blue Euphoria. I love that look. And in the end I used blue highlighter on my cheeks. It looks really popping, really beautiful, but I didn't record the part where I put on the highlighter. I thought I recorded, but I didn't, and I was so mad at myself for like missing that clip. Oh, that's so pretty. Now for the fun part, let's draw a snowflake. I'm using this Real Techniques brush. I think it's like a little bit too thick for graphic liner, but I don't have a smaller brush than this. I'm going to dip it in this little cup of water. This cup is from Starbucks. I think it's super cute, but it's too small for anything. Now that the brush is coated, I'm going to go in here, swirl around, melt some of the pigment, and then use that as eyeliner. I discovered Hydra liner late last year and I'm in love. Guys, I'm nervous. Let's start here. Okay. You guys now have shaky hands. I'm really worried I ruined it. I kinda ruined that one. Yesterday I saw an Instagram reel of a person demonstrating how different levels of like beginners, experts would draw a snowflake. And that video actually inspired me to do a snowflake makeup look again, but this time I'm going to try what they call as an expert snowflake. They actually do it differently. They actually do dots at the end, so I'm going to try that too. Dot. I like the shape of the snowflake, but I think my hands were too shaky while I was drawing it, and also the brush is too thick to make a snowflake with so much more details, or maybe I just should have drawn a snowflake bigger. On the other side, let's try the snowflake in the shape I did, because snowflake comes in all shapes and sizes, right? Yeah, I think this one's easier to do and I really like how it turned out. I think both snowflakes are cute actually. There are small mistakes in the details. It's not that perfect, but if you look at me from afar, you wouldn't be able to tell the small mistakes. Now let's add in some dots and sparkles. I'm actually proud. And now for the blue eyeliner, this is my NYX eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner is the hardest part to do in my makeup looks. I like to draw along the lash line and then find that feeling and then flick it out. That looks pretty good. Now I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm using my Clear Q Lash Mascara. Now the eye look is complete. I'm really proud of this. I think it looks really cute. I want to do a little bit of bronze, so let's use the Physicians Formula bronzer. I'm trying to finish it up. Guys, I really like filming makeup videos. I like to do makeup in general. Like the table where all my makeup products are is my happy corner. I feel happy whenever I sit down there to do makeup on myself. I don't do makeup because I think I'm ugly and I'm trying to cover up myself using makeup, you know. Although I have a friend who does that and I kind of feel pretty bad because she can't go out if she's not wearing makeup. I feel like the best way to use makeup is either for artistic purposes, like trying to create new looks, design new looks, or to naturally enhance your natural beauty, you know. But I feel bad if people actually use makeup and layer on foundation, concealer, trying to cover up themselves because they think they are ugly without the makeup and can't face people without the makeup and feel like they're not representable. Everyone have confidence issues and I hope everyone will feel better in 2023. It's a brand new year. Let's improve ourselves, love ourselves, and be the best version of ourselves. Here are 6 blushes. Which one should I use? Definitely not the orange ones or the warm tone ones. I'm going to mix the purple with the pink. Lately I uploaded a video called Seamless No Makeup Makeup Look, and that video blew up and became like the most viewed makeup video on my channel, and I gained a lot of subscribers from that, and I'm like really surprised I spent so much time and effort creating new makeup looks, and the no makeup makeup look became the most popular and got me the most subscribers. Trying not to break my nails. It's open. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Highlighter. It's also super pretty. It's also like a baseless, colorless highlighter. It's just a very pretty sheen, almost like a topper. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. But anyways, I'm really happy that you guys like my makeup videos. I really enjoy making these videos, and I love doing makeup, and I love to see you guys enjoying it as well. And I get really happy when people tell me they will recreate my makeup looks. Make me feel very proud. Adding some in the inner corners. Shall we add this blue glitter? Let's try. I'm taking only a little bit. You see how shaky my hands are? Like, that's why I can't do eyeliner. Like, look how shaky they are. I'm not even doing anything. If you've watched my videos before, you know that whenever I do like a blue makeup look or a purple makeup look, I like to use this pink Fenty gloss. This is Fussy. I should do my thumbnail like this so you don't see the big pimple. And this, guys, is the finished makeup look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like this look. I wish you guys the best for 2023. I hope you have a great year, improving yourself, finding happiness. I hope you will stay happy and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!